Hello everyone, today I'm going to install a website on Hostinger. I have a domain and hosting here, so I will install WordPress to that domain. Without wasting any time, let's see how to do that. As I have domain, I already bought that. This is the domain where I'm going to install my WordPress website, and I have this hosting here. If you don't have the domain already, you can buy this later, no problem at all. And for the hosting, you should have a hosting before proceed this. So let's see how to do that. Here at the top left corner, you are seeing that we have homepage, websites, domain, email, and much more menu item here. I'm going to click to the websites. Here you will see all of your installed website here. If you want to install a new website, you have to click to the add website button here. If you don't want to install WordPress, if you have a HTML file, or if you have a just custom website, no problem, you can do that using this procedure as well. So I'm going to click to the add website. Here if you want to install WordPress website, you have to click to the WordPress. If you have a custom PHP or HTML website, as you know, we can create a website using AI. Like we can create website using Lovable, and many other AI can build your website. Build mean they can design your website. So if you have that file, just click to the custom PHP HTML website. It will create a folder for you. You just drop your file there. I'll show you how to do that. But here in this tutorial, I'm going to install WordPress. So I'm going to click to WordPress button here. Here I have to choose my domain name. I already have this domain, as you know. I'm going to select this, but if you don't have the domain, you will search here like whatever you want. You will see a domain name will come up here. For the first time and for the 1 year, you can buy a domain for free here if you have any hosting at the hostinger. So I'm not going to click to this domain here. I'm going to select this domain. I have a catering plugin, so I'm going to create this website for my catering plugin landing page. So once this is selected, I'm going to click to the next button. The procedure is very simple. Here I have to enter my address information, contact information, and once everything is fine, then I will click to register. Now this screen asking me my WordPress login information. So this will be my WordPress login email, and this will be my WordPress login password. I'm going to change this. And here you can choose your website language. I'm going to keep it as English. So then I will click to build from scratch. WordPress is installing here. Once the WordPress is installed, then it will redirect to this page. Let me close it. As you can see, my domain email verification is pending, so I will verify my email. If you already verified that, you don't have to see that. I'm going to verify email, then continue to home. I'll come to this screen again, refresh it. My website is ready. Let's see the front end. Anyone around the world can see this website now. So this is a very basic WordPress website. I have here 2025 theme. I will change it later. Here I have few plugin like hosting area. I don't need that. I use usually Cloud, as you can see. Hostinger easy on board, I don't need that as well. Hostinger research, I don't need that. Hostinger tools, I don't need that. I need that plugin, but not right now. I don't use light speed cache during my development period. If I do that, sometimes I won't see my live update, so I will deactivate all this. I will keep this plugin only. I can delete that, but if I delete that, I have to install it later, as I will use this for my website, but I'm not going to active this right now. I'll delete all other plugins here. Done. So I will start building this website. If you want to see this tutorial, how I design website for my digital product, just keep watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come up this tutorial later. Hope to see you in the next WP Bravo tutorial. Till then, take care.